Have you ever noticed how a single TV can completely redefine a room? Not just the size or the style, but the way it transforms your entire viewing experience. That's the subtle difference a well-designed television can make. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on products that genuinely enhance everyday life. Today, we're examining the Sony 65-inch class 4K Ultra HD Bravia 3 LED Smart TV, Model K-65S30. This is a premium smart television designed to serve as a central hub for entertainment, gaming, and smart home integration. This TV is best suited for people who prioritize high-fidelity image quality, immersive audio, and a device that can handle both cinematic streaming and high-end gaming. If you're seeking a casual TV just to watch a few shows here and there, this may be more than you need. But if you want a central entertainment piece that combines clarity, speed, and smart functionality, this product is highly relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. At its core, the Sony Bravia K-65S30 is built around a 65-inch 4K Ultra HD display, Google TV integration, Dolby Vision HDR, and Dolby Atmos audio. It supports high refresh rate 120 Hz output for smooth motion, which is particularly valuable for gaming and fast-paced action sequences. PS5 owners will find specialized enhancements that optimize both picture and responsiveness, making it more than just a conventional smart TV. Reason number 1: cinematic experience in your living room. The combination of 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos allows for a cinematic experience that goes beyond simple resolution. Every scene is enhanced in real time, with dynamic contrast and deep color accuracy that immerses viewers in a more lifelike picture and audio environment. Reason number 2: vibrant and precise color reproduction. With Triluminos Pro, this TV displays over 1 billion colors with precision. What you see is not just brighter and sharper, but nuanced, with subtle gradations in color that make movies, sports, and streaming content feel natural and vivid, even in well-lit rooms. Reason number 3: smart integration for seamless control. Google TV and Google Assistant provide a central hub for streaming, apps, and voice commands. From content discovery to smart home control, this TV allows you to manage multiple devices and services without leaving your seat, improving convenience and efficiency. Reason number 4: gaming optimization for modern consoles. PS5. Exclusive features ensure that frame rates, color rendering, and input latency are tuned for next-gen gaming. The 120 Hz panel coupled with HDR support delivers smoother gameplay, deeper contrast, and sharper details, making it a strong choice for dedicated gamers. Reason number 5: long-term value and durable design. The build quality, backed by Sony's reputation, ensures longevity. This TV is not only visually appealing with a slim, modern frame, but also trusted by many of 5-star reviewers for its reliability, making it a sustainable investment for years of home entertainment. Final verdict: while this TV is premium, it requires a well-lit space to truly showcase its HDR capabilities, and the setup can feel complex for casual users. However, for enthusiasts of streaming, home cinema, and gaming, it delivers an unmatched combination of visual fidelity, smart integration, and responsiveness. If you want a display that balances cutting-edge technology with consistent reliability, the Sony Bravia K-65S30 is a compelling choice. Take the time to imagine it in your space, consider your viewing needs, and choose with confidence. You can check the detailed specifications and purchase link in the description below.